In this example, we're asked to write an equation that represents the graph below. Now we can use two different methods to solve this. With the first method, you can use the rise over the run. In other words, find one point on the graph and then rise and run to another point on the graph so that you can find your slope. So I'm going to begin by starting at the point 0, -2. So from that point, I am going to rise up. So I rose up 1, 2, 3, and then I'm going to run 1 to the negative side. Notice I'm on the graph. So that was a rise of 3 and a run of -1. 3 divided by -1 is -3. So we have a slope of -3. The last thing I need is to identify my y-intercept. To know that, all you have to do is know that at the point where it touches the y-axis. So it touches at -2, so that is your y-intercept. When you put it all together, your line is y equals -3x minus 2. The second method I want to show you is to pick any 2 points on the graph. It doesn't matter which 2 points you choose. Pick 2 points, and then you're going to plug those points into the slope formula of, recall, y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. You're going to plug those points into the slope formula, and notice when we plug that into the slope formula, we get a slope of -3. And again, you will identify the y-intercept, the point at which it touches the y-axis, and that is at -2. And again, putting it all together, your line is y equals -3x minus 2.